What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Corvette. Glad you're tuning in. Well, in the title, y'all can see it's another car show, so we're going to go ahead and check it out. It's a beautiful, bright day outside, so hopefully it's a good turnout. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel, guys, as I will be putting out a bunch of videos in the future. All right, guys, let's go check it out. Let's see. Alright guys, so we're here at the show. Here's mine. There's another Challenger boosted over there. Guys, check out this Fox body here. Very nice color scheme. It's got the 5.0 swap. Man, the interior is immaculate. Get another shot of the engine bay. I just like the red and gray black color scheme. You got another red one over here, guys. 5.0, two 5.0s, classic Fox body. Wow, love the red. SVE wheels. Check it out, guys. Look at the engine work on that. There's the rear tires. Inside the cabin. And we got another classic over here. Let's get a shot under the hood. Alright guys, we got a bunch of new and old Supras here. Really nice black one. Lowered, got wheels on it, looks pretty sick there. Got a red one with white wheels on it, drop two. Another nice black one with carbon fiber hood.
Or you can get them like around by like 4 or 5 grand. They're not that hard to find.
Look at this classic example. Man, the big Wayne gang. Wow. Next to another red one. He's got the top off. So let's go take a look. Super gang, guys. We got a couple over here under the hood. They got their little tents here. Nice clean yellow one over here. Y'all check out this 370 here. That is wild. Got you a couple Subarus over here. Some WRXs. STI. Man, guys, check out this other older Supra here. Look at the turbo on this. It's huge. Very, very clean. And then there's another white one over here. Big turbo. Very, very clean. Like the blue seats. Scion TC. A crazy wrapped anime. Always got the hood pop, guys. Just getting a shot of the inside of the goods. Pretty blue color. The chrome wheels. That Challenger I was telling y'all about, he's got boost. I heard it when he was coming in. Let's get a shot of the back. Here's mine again. Tee! Got the GoPro on. And then over here by its lonesome BMW red. It's got a twin turbo from the factory, I'm guessing. Yeah, it's a twin turbo power. I like that sticker. Look at that sticker, guys. Bastard boy. And way over here by himself, Lotus. Not sure if it's an Evora GT, but let's see. I don't really know too much about these kind of cars, but it says Evora, Lotus Evora. Like the yellow and the black. Alright guys, well that's pretty much the video. Not too much American muscle, a lot of tuners, kind of a smaller meet, but there's still a lot of nice cars there. So until the next video guys, this is the Rogue Vet out. Peace.